Is the music feature missing from your Instagram stories? So if you want to add a song to your Instagram stories but don't see the music feature in this menu, then follow my steps because I have a couple of solutions for you. The first step that we'll do is to exit the Instagram application and then we'll open our App Store or the Google Play Store. Now search for Instagram and check if you have the latest version of the app installed. If it says update right here, that means that you don't have the latest version and you want to click on the update button and wait a couple of seconds until your app updates. This will install all of the latest features and functions that the app offers. If this doesn't solve your problem, then we'll go over to our Instagram profile and click on the 3 lines at the top right corner of the screen. Then go over to the Settings and Privacy section. We'll scroll down until we can see this Help section and tap on that button. Then we're gonna report a problem. And this way we will contact the Instagram team directly and explain our issue to them. You can write that the music feature is missing when you try to add a song to your Instagram stories and kindly ask them to resolve your problem as soon as possible. The Instagram team should respond to you within a day or 2 and they will enable the feature for you. But if this also doesn't work, then you will simply have to wait a little bit more. They roll out new features to some regions at first, but for other regions at a later time. So if the feature is missing, you'll simply have to wait a couple more days, weeks, or even months until the feature rolls out for you. You can even reinstall the app and check if it solves your problem, but that's essentially it. If you were able to solve your problem, then leave a like on this video and I'll see you in the next one.